What we're going to do is You're the Best Thing That Ever Happened to Me. Okay? Do you all know the chorus? Because I ain't got the words. Alright, we're going to go. But when you get, even if you don't know the words, just noise along, because it's supposed to be soundful. So whatever. Feel free. Okay, so my screw. Thank you.
I've had my share.
Can we clap with this lady?
Of life's ups and downs.
Ups and downs.
But it's been kind. And the downs have been for you.
You know they've been few.
But I guess you could say that I've been lucky. And I guess you could say
You get it ready?
that it's all because of you.
Let's go, If anyone should ever write my life story, for whatever
reason
there might be. Love the claps, give it up.
you'll be there between each line of pain and glory.
Okay.
'Cause you're the best
You're
thing
the best thing that ever happened to
ever
me.
happened to me.
You're the best thing that ever happened to me.
You're the best
You're the
thing
best thing that ever happened to me. You got the story now, you got it. Love the claps, keep them going, keep them going. Okay,
There
clap.
have been times
I know there's been many times.
when times they were hard, but always somehow we make it through.
You know we made it through.
But for every moment that I've been hurting, there have been moments that I spent just loving you.
Okay, ready? You know the words, okay, with me. If anyone should ever write my life story, for whatever reason there might be,
you'll be there between each line of pain and glory. 'Cause you're the best
you're the
thing
best thing that ever
that
happened
ever
to me.
happened to me.
You're the best thing that ever
You're the best
You're the best
thing
thing that
ever happened to me.
Oh, lovely. Well done. Lovely singing by the way, I heard everything. It was lovely. Lovely. Keep it up. Okay, next one we're going to do is a song by Luther.